Hi, I'm going to tell you a little bit about assessments at Butler Montessori. We have recently changed to an assessment that's provided by Educational Record Bureau, also known as ERB, and we're using this assessment through upper elementary and the adolescent program, so through high school. This is a new change for us, as we used to do a different test between the upper elementary and the adolescent programs. With us changing to a program that is consistent throughout the upper elementary and the upper school, this gives us a way to assess the development of the children during their time here at Butler Montessori. This test assesses their critical thinking, it assesses curriculum-based learning alongside some reasoning thinking and reasoning skills. There's also an emotional intelligence component that is going to be added as well. Something else that we really like about this assessment program is that we'll be moving towards a computer-based assessment. So this is really nice because we have learned that the rest of the world has already moved on and starting to use technology, and using a technology that is really cool, where the assessment changes as the children and young adults are answering their questions. So the test itself adjusts to each test taker, and this helps to build their confidence as they are taking their assessment. We use these assessments internally for the upper elementary, and for the adolescent program, they can use these assessments to help them apply to other schools, like colleges, for example. But these assessments help us to see their strengths and their weaknesses, and helps us to adjust the instruction to meet each child.